Hello kids, today we will learn animal names.
Dog, dog. Cat, cat. Lion, lion. Elephant, elephant. Giraffe, giraffe. Bear, bear. Zebra, zebra. Panda, panda. Monkey, monkey. Camel, camel. Horse, horse.